So I thought I would share my special luxury potato salad recipe with you. So I got this recipe from someone in Canada many years ago. I went to a barbecue and they had made this potato salad. Well, I've never tasted anything like it. It was absolutely amazing. So I got the recipe, and that's how I always make potato salad now. So when you go to the shop and buy potato salad, it's like cubes of a semi-raw potato, usually, with the most watery mayonnaise you could possibly imagine, and a sprinkle, a very sparse sprinkle of chives, dried chives. And that's it. Where's all the other stuff? I'm used to something a bit different. So this potato salad, I'm known for my potato salad, by the way. If I go to a function, like a party or something, where you take a dish or a barbecue or whatever, everybody always says to me, could you bring your potato salad? And it's really delicious. I hope you have a go at it, because you won't buy potato salad ever again. And if I go to, if I've got visitors, the first thing they say, did you make potato salad? So, I know it's quite good. It's quite good. So have a go at it, and I'll show you how I do it. Very easy. So I'm making my special potato salad, and the ingredients are peas, salad potatoes with the skins, grated carrot, egg, onion, celery, and mayonnaise, and black pepper and salt. Okay, so the only thing I've got to do now is put it all together. So what I did was, because I hate great big hard chunks of potato, I've sort of just done that with a knife through it. So it's not mashed, but it's nice. And I've cooked it so that it's really well cooked. None of this al dente stuff for me. So I'll put that. Put it back in there. Right. And the only thing that is left to do is putting everything in it. So I put the carrot, onion, celery. My husband doesn't like the celery and the carrot, so this is just for me, really. And I got some chives from the garden. Put some chives in there. Right. Put that in. Salt and pepper, black pepper, just a bit. You can always add more when you're eating it. I always think some people like a lot, some people, don't. And just put the egg in. Mashed, of course, obviously. What else? Right, so we'll do the mayonnaise now. Now, I've only got a little bit, but I think I've got enough. I have to get some more tomorrow. I think I've got enough. None of that watery stuff. And there we are. Luxury potato salad Hope you'll have a go at it. It's delicious. I've really enjoyed chatting to you again, and if you would be so kind as to subscribe to my channel and to like, it would help me enormously. Thank you so much. And as always, I'm sending lots and lots of love from Cornwall.